Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Texas cowboy stew. I'll be starting off the recipe by browning up 1 pound of ground beef. After about 4 minutes, the beef is browned all the way through, and I'll be adding in 1 medium diced onion and 1 small green bell pepper, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 pound of sliced kielbasa, and then for the seasonings I have 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. After about 4 minutes, the onions have started to turn translucent, and I'll be adding in a 28-ounce can of fire-roasted tomatoes, 1 can of tomatoes with diced chilies, 1 cup of frozen corn, 2 cans of kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained, 3 cups of cubed potatoes. That was about 4 medium potatoes. And then next to go in is 4 cups of beef stock. And finally, I have 1/2 teaspoon of chipotle powder. Now that the stew has started to boil, I'll be dropping my heat down to low, putting a lid on it, and allowing it to simmer for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked all the way through. I've garnished the stew with just a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese and some sliced green onions, and now all I have left to do is try it out. Well, I definitely hope, though, it tastes as good as it smells, because it smells absolutely fantastic. Overall, I really like this quite a bit. It could use just a tiny little bit more salt, but that's just a personal preference. I do like the heat from the tomatoes with the chilies, and the chipotle powder adds a nice little subtle smokiness into it, more so than just what the cumin does. Overall, this is a really great little dish for a fall night as the weather starts turning towards the colder season. But that is going to do it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.